Every week, thousands of migrants arrive and travel through Europe, seeking a better and safer life. Sadly, some die or disappear on the way, while others lose contact with their family. Often, the parents, sisters, brothers and children do not know if they are dead or alive. Therefore, every day, the Red Cross and Red Crescent movement tries to restore these broken family links all around the world. To do so, 23 countries in Europe participate in a specific program. It is a unique online tracing tool called TraceTheFace. On the website www.tracetheface.org, people who are looking for missing migrants or who lost contact with their loved ones along the migration route can publish a photo of themselves. Today on the website there are more than 300 pictures of people looking for their loved ones. If you are looking for a family member in Europe and you want to use this tracing tool, please contact your nearest Red Cross or Red Crescent office. Your own photo will then be uploaded on the TraceTheFace website, available all around the world. But moreover, it will be on posters hung in Red Cross offices and in places where migrants gather all around Europe. By using TraceTheFace, you increase your chance to find your family, who may also be looking for you. Of course, the only information published is your photo and the nature of the family link to your missing relative. All other information, like your name and your location, will be kept confidential. The tracing service could help you to get news about your loved ones.